What's up guys, Aryan here. So if you're like me, you always want to get the coolest, most amazing shots for your GoPro, but you don't want to pay all that money for those expensive tools you have from the GoPro shop. Well, what I did was I went online, and after doing some research and scavenging around here and there, I found this really cool DIY zip tie mount, which I'll leave the link for just over here somewhere. And I basically used this mount to put it on top of an old broken hockey stick, and it just works wonders for me. So the video I'm going to show you guys is shot using my GoPro Hero 4 with that DIY mount. You can judge for yourselves how it turned out, and leave in the comments below what you thought of it, or if you have any suggestions on future videos. Alright guys, leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Alpha Music.